Oh, hello. Welcome to the Retirement Cafe. We are going to make a delicious meal of salmon and rainbow peppers. So right now we're just cutting up some green peppers, some red peppers, and some orange peppers. It's going to be delicious. See the rainbow? Nice.
Hello, I'm the other half of the cooking team. And I'm going to cut up some salmon here.
The better half.
The better half, yes.
A big knife. Oh yeah, look at that. It's all in what you have, utensils and such.
Then we spray the bag. It's going to be the bag on the grill.
Yeah, we got one of those grill bags. Makes it nice and convenient. All these
Sprinkle a little flour.
little flour. They say to stop it from bursting. I guess I better get the fire extinguisher ready.
Throw in the salmon.
1 and a 2 and a 3. Ooh.
Then throw in some peppers.
This makes the rainbow. The colors of the rainbow. I won't sing.
And some thyme, or thyme, I don't know how you pronounce it.
Thyme.
Thyme with the thyme.
Anybody want to
And
chime
some,
in on the proper terminology?
And some garlic, what is this, garlic salt.
Not too much of that. That's enough.
No, come on.
I don't care what they say. I don't like a lot of garlic.
Get it all over it.
Look at that.
There it is.
See? Ooh.
And fold it up good. Okay, now we're going to put this on a preheated grill. Preheated 450. It says 500, but that's close enough. Put it on here for 10 minutes. Okay, it should be ready. It's been closer to 15, 20 minutes. Let's open it up and check this.
Take a peek. Oh, man.
Ooh,
Look at
doesn't that look delicious?
Oh,
Ooh, nice and flaky.
oh, the colors of the rainbow.
And the final product on the plate. And what is your opinion, sir, lady?
Sir lady.
Sir, madam.
Madam. Out of this world. All the spices and the peppers. Fabulous.